Now that we have been able to identify the challenges, the opportunities that are involved in big data, then let's now talk about tools and technologies that are very efficient for big data processing and analysis, because the traditional tools cannot handle them. So let's go further to see that there are several tools and technologies available for processing and analyzing big data. There are some popular ones, the ones that you need. HADOOP is number one. Now, HADOOP is an Apache product. It's an open source framework. This framework is designed for distributed storage and processing of large data sets. You know, if you remember, I told you that because of the volume of data that is generated, there is problem. There now arose problem of storage. So with this Apache HADOOP, which is an open framework, you can handle your distributed storage and processing of this large data set. HADOOP includes the HADOOP Distributed File System, known as HDFS. This HADOOP Distributed File System is used for storing data across multiple machines. And HADOOP also has what we call map-reduced programming model. This map-reduced programming model is used for parallel data processing of these different data that cut across these multiple machines. HADOOP is widely used for batch processing, data warehousing, and large-scale data analytics. Another tool is Apache Spark. Apache Spark is also an open source cluster computing framework. That provides fast general purpose data processing capabilities. Is a multi-general purpose data processing technology. It supports distributed data processing with its in-memory computing capabilities, making it well suited for iterative algorithms. What I mean by iterative algorithms, I'm talking about repetitive algorithms, interactive queries. With this framework, you can interact with your databases. Then you can also obtain real-time. You can do real-time analytics. So Apache Spark offers various libraries for SQL. So, you can, with this Apache Spark, you can query your database using SQL. SQL is structured query language, so which will help you to communicate. So Spark offers various libraries such as SQL, streaming, machine learning, and graph processing. Another tool in big data processing is Apache FLINK. Apache FLINK is an open source stream processing framework with batch processing capabilities. It is designed for high throughput, low latency processing of streaming data. When you are streaming your data that is streamed, you can use this Apache FLINK to do it, to handle that. Also fault tolerance and exactly one's semantics. So FLINK is commonly used for real-time analytics. You can use it for fraud detection. So, you'll be able to tell real-time that, a fraudulent act has taken place. So you can see the importance of all this framework. They are very powerful too. You need to understand them. You need to know them. And even if you want to also do what you call continuous data processing, we have another technology or another tool called Apache Cassandra. Apache Cassandra is a distributed NoSQL. NoSQL means non-object-oriented management task database. We have relational database and non-relational. Okay, so this Apache Cassandra is a distributed framework to handle what we call non-relational database. But this non-relational database that is designed for handling large-scale, high-velocity, and fault-tolerant data. It offers scalability and high availability across multiple nodes and data centers. So if your data cut across different centers, this framework will offer scalability, high availability across multiple nodes and across these data centers. Cassandra is suitable for storing and retrieving large amounts of structured and unstructured data with low latency requirements.